सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today's subject is practicing conflict-free life. I want to share a technique with the whole world, because many important things which I shared with you all yesterday will not reach the whole world. At least the essence I wanted to share in the morning message so that it reaches the whole world. Whatever process you all are going through, the essence of those videos are being sent to all satsang centers, but the whole world will really be benefited with this process, with this technique. Conflict is, as long as you think there is something other than you. Conflict has no life, life has no conflict. As long as you think there is something other than you exists, the fear or conflict continues to be alive in your system. All you need is tuning your system, tuning your body and mind to understand that there is nothing other than you exists, or there is nothing other than you exists. Please understand. Either there is nothing like you other than the other exists, or nothing like other exists other than you. Very powerful process in Hatha Yoga called Achapa Japa, means chanting beyond chanting. Even the chanting word is not exact translation of japa. Japa means more like a flowing. Flowing without flowing. Chanting without chanting. Ajapa japa. Constantly, knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, your being goes on chanting this Hamsa mantra. When you inhale, the tone hum. When you exhale, sam. When we verbalize, even this hum and sum gets shape. But if you don't verbalize and just observe, the subtle version of hum and sum will be happening. It will not be complete defined hum or defined sum. It's like a hum, sum. See, physically when you see, you have a defined body. When you close your eyes and try to visualize you will have an undefined version of you. It will not be a defined version. An undefined kind of a line drawing, caricature, cartoon, line sketch. Same way, when you sit and listen to this ajapa japa, flowing of non-flowing or beyond flowing, chanting of beyond chanting, if you observe that happening, you will see the line drawing or caricatured version, cartoon version of this Hamsa mantra will be happening. Please do not add that hum or some sound with will. No. I am not asking you to add with will. When you add with will, it becomes japa, means chanting. No. I am not teaching you that. I am telling you to sit and try to find out the mantra. In the beginning, it will be the dull version or undefined version of hum and sum. Slowly, slowly, either hum or sum will disappear. Understand? Hum means the idea, me, I. Sum means the whole. You can call it cosmos, God, or anything other than you, anything beyond you. When the strong defining difference between this hum and sum disappears, you become Paramahamsa. As long as this hum and sum happens in you, you are a Hamsa. When the gap between the sound difference between this hum and sum disappears, means merges into one, that you and he merges into one, the I and you merges into one, you become Paramahamsa. You are beyond the Hamsa. Anybody who is beyond the Hamsa mantra is Paramahamsa. Constantly the Hamsa mantra is happening in you. First thing you need to do is become aware of it. Second thing, constantly try to be with it. Third, automatically the gap between the two will disappear. You are Paramahamsa. Understand? Very powerful technique for practicing conflict-free life. It's a very powerful way of balancing or elevating your internal consciousness beyond the conflict. The teaching which I was sharing yesterday, life has no conflict, conflict has no life, will become reality in you when your Hamsa mantra gets in tune. Because any verbalization goes on inside, adds its smell to your breathing. Any verbalization goes on inside, adds its smell to your breathing, means adds its vibration to your breathing. So when you sit with Hamsa, first thing is verbalization, inner verbalization settles down. Only the physiological movements will be happening, means the physiological conflict of going in and coming out. When you sit with that also, even the physiological conflict will disappear. Please understand. As on now, you will not even be having pure hum or pure sum. Along with that hum sound, all the garbage which is going on the head will be going. Along with the sum, all the garbage, chaos happening in the mind will be happening. So when I asked you to sit with Hamsa mantra, the psychological mutation will happen. When you are having only the hum and sum, the psychological mutation will happen. Second step, when you continue to be with just hum and sum, the purified hum and sum will start getting settled with itself. So the difference between the hum and sum will start melting down. That is what I call physiological mutation. When the psychological mutation and physiological mutation happens, it's conflict-free life, living enlightenment. So the straight process, please understand, sitting with hum and sum, psychological mutation. Second, getting into the space where the hum and sum meets and merges, that is physiological mutation. When you work on this process, you will understand how directly it leads to conflict-free life. So, I request all of you to practice conflict-free life. Let you all experience conflict-free life, live and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.